Hello po, ano po kaya mas magandang bilhin? Two-piece or one-piece back? May difference po ba yun sa sound? Thank you. Okay. So, pag-usapan natin yan. One-piece or two-piece na violin back. So, ang violin, as we all know, is made of wood. No? Pag-usapan muna natin, paano ba nakukuha or nasusource yung mga one-piece or two-piece? How do we decide that? Okay, so, I'll use this as an example. No? Ano lang to? Circle. Pero think of it as a segment of a log. No? So, ang violin galing sa puno. So, isang mahabang log. No? This is the cross-section. Yan. So, pag-usapan muna natin, two-piece back. Paano ba nakukuha yung two-piece back? So, basically, ang ginagawa is they cut a wedge. No? Not sure kung gaano kalaki yun. Basta, kakat sila dito ng pa-triangle. And then, yung triangle na yun, so for example, ito na yun. No? Yan. Ikakat ulit nila sa gitna. So, dalawang parts na yun. So, mag-i-open. So, kumara yan. Tapos, kinat sa gitna. I-open nila na ganun. So, yan na yung wood na gagamitin for the two-piece back. So, it still comes from the same wood. No? Hindi siya magkaibang segments na pinagdiktong. So, magkasama sila, ginupit, hinati sa gitna, and then yun, binuka. So, andun yung grains, andun pa rin. No? Now, yung one-piece back, what makes it more expensive, no, and more rare in some cases is kung paano din siya hinati. So, again, ito yung cross-section ng wood. Usually, ang one-piece back, instead ng ganun ang kuha, no, pa-triangle, isang buong ganyan, diretso. Okay? So, wala na silang ibubuka doon. Isang buo na siya. So, drawing na lang nila ng shape ng violin. Okay? So, ngayon, yung two-piece back, kapag, let's say, you can get like 4 pieces of wood for violin sa loob ng isang lug or segment ng lug to create a body, no, para sa body. Versus kapag one piece back, so hindi mo naman pwedeng magamit na yung maliliit na portions sa dulo nung pinaghiwaan mo, no? So baka sabihin na natin marami na yung dalawa. So yung yield niya for a two piece back, you could say 4, and then pag one piece, dalawa lang yung pwede mo makuha. So mas economical mag-produce ng two piece na back. That's why more rare ang one piece. Now, when it comes to sound quality, merong konting difference. Kasi of course, there's less moving parts or less things na dapat alalahanin when you have a one piece back. Bakit? May joint sa likod yung two piece back. So may possibility na magkaroon ng open seam yun, no? Pwedeng lumabas doon yung sound, no? Mag-leak out pag nagkaroon ng problem. I have a violin that has that issue, no? So magkadikit na ganyan, medyo umangat ng konti yung isa. So another cause for repair. Sa one piece back, that won't happen kasi nga isang buong kahoy lang siya. So yun yung isa doon na reasons why it's more expensive. Another thing is yun sa aesthetics, no? So syempre mas maganda tignan yung one piece back. Yung grains niya minsan nasa gitna, as in gitnang gitna lang, may mga ganong klaseng wood. Depende rin kasi sa kahoy eh. Sa two piece usually yung normal na tiger grains na stripes na ganyan. Minsan magkaganon, minsan ganyan yung stripes, no? So hindi siya one straight line. Yung iba ang line nila pa ganyan, yung iba pabuka palabas. So depende. Now, yun, based on sound quality, merong konti, pero very negligible naman yun. So, it's all based on your preference, ano yung trip mong gamitin, ano yung appealing sa'yo aesthetically, yun lang nga yung major differences nila. And yun nga, mas rare ang one piece back. But, hindi naman natin pwede sabihin na mas rare, mas maganda agad, no? Kasi wood still has its own characteristics, whether that's a one piece or a two piece back. You can guarantee na talagang objectively mas maganda to kesa doon sa isa. So, marami pa ring other factors that you need to consider. So, good luck.